This video is all about explaining why you have those missing features in your Google Sheets mobile app. So you've noticed that there are some features that your friends or coworkers are using on the mobile app that you don't have. Well, basically, the main reason for that is you have an outdated app. So let's say you've downloaded the Sheets app a long time ago and you haven't bothered updating it. Or you don't have that auto update feature turned on your phone when you download your apps. So I'm going to show you how to quickly update your Sheets app. I have the Sheets app open right here on my Android phone. Now, if you're experiencing the same thing on an iOS device, it's basically the same. So here, I'm going to go to the Play Store. If you're an iOS device, that's going to be your App Store. So let's go ahead and open that. Here, I have my Play Store open. Just go to the search button at the bottom, tap on it, and enter Sheets right here at the top. There we have it. Tap on search. And here we go. So I have the Google Sheets app right here, and you will quickly see that you have the update button on the right side. So I'm going to tap on the app itself. So here we have Google Sheets in the Play Store. We have the uninstall button on the left side and the update button on the right side. Now, if you already have an updated app, this would not say update. It would say open. So mine is not updated, so I'm going to update it by tapping on this update button right here. There we have it. So it's currently updating, and it's going to install those updates after. Here we have it. Again, the uninstall button on the left side and now the open button on the right side. So now we've successfully updated our app. Tap on open right here, and it will open the Google Sheets app. Here we have it. So you've successfully updated your Sheets app on your mobile phone. So this time, if there were some missing features, let's say the merge tool, and you weren't able to see it before, now if you try and open a file right here, you'll be able to automatically see it at the bottom. There you have it. Now, another reason that you might be missing those features is you have an older model phone that doesn't really support this app. Now, that's quite rare, but if you still don't see those features, another method that you can do would be to simply uninstall the app and reinstall it. So go back to your App Store or to your Play Store. Here we have it. So just tap on the uninstall button, wait for it to uninstall everything from your phone. Then when it's done, you can just tap on install again. And hopefully that would fix the problem of the missing features that you have in your Google Sheets mobile app. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.